Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel MSCK Trading Academy. Guys, I've made a list of 29 stocks here. You can see this. I'll share the analysis of all these stocks. I'll cover 3 stocks in a video. Other stocks analysis video links will be shared in the description box. You can go and check out the description box to check out other stocks. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you receive all the updates. And also I'll share the Telegram group channel link in the description box. You can join the Telegram group for more updates. Now let's start our analysis with these 3 stocks in this video, that is Axis Bank, Ashok Leyland and Bata India. They have formed bearish engulfing. Now let me explain you what exactly bearish engulfing is. Guys, you can check out here. I have drawn this bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing in the sense, usually the second candle, this bearish candle, this is the second candle, will cover up the first candle entirely, or at least the body will of the first candle will be covered. Let me repeat this. Bearish engulfing in the sense, the second candle will at least cover the body of the first candle or the entire candle. Right? The other thing we have to understand is bearish engulfing must be found in uptrend, and just check out that there must be some strong resistance so that you'll have a clear cut idea what next has to be done. Right now, when you get a bearish engulfing, the most important thing is you will have to draw the range high and range low. Range high and range low of this pattern. You can see here the range high is of bearish candle and range low is also of bearish candle. This is one way we draw the range. In case you come across a candle, a bullish candle having a long tail like this, what are you going to do? In case you find something like this, then the range high will be definitely of bearish candle and range low will be of bullish candle. So drawing range high and range low is very important. Once you draw this range high, range low, we go back and see how the behavior was in these levels. And once this range low breaks, there are good chances prices will start heading down. This is a simple definition and explanation on bearish engulfing. Now let's go ahead and check out what are the stocks we are talking about. Is Axis Bank, Ashok Leyland and Bata India. Let's move to Axis Bank first. Okay, so here in Axis Bank, guys, you can see here this is Axis Bank weekly chart and I have maintained 50 and 200 day moving average for analysis. Now let's go to daily chart first. Okay. Now you can see here in Axis Bank we have a bearish engulfing. Right now, to talk about the trend, this has come in the uptrend. These two candles make a bearish engulfing. Now there are good chances it can come down. This is what the expectation is. Now let's go and analyze quickly. The first thing I said we need to draw the range high and range low of this bearish engulfing. So this is the range high and let me mark the range low as well. So this is the range low. Now what I usually do is I go back and see how the behavior of the stock was when it had entered this region previously. Now you can see here what has happened. Previously this has acted as a support. You can see here this acted as a support here, right? And many times near this range it has acted as support. So this range will be a key range for Monday's trading plan. Now I'll draw one more line here because I see the lows being made here. This will be a very good buying levels as well, probably on Monday. Now this analysis is for 8th of February. Let me tell you, it is on Monday 8th of February 2021. Now let's go and plan our trade. So Axis Bank, if you see here, there's formed a bearish engulfing, the first thing. The second thing is once it starts trading below 717, once it sustains below 717, you can have a target on 707.85. This will become a key support. Other than this, we'll have the next support somewhere at this level, that is 695 and probably 678. These are the things what I'm expecting once it breaks the range low. The good chances prices can head down to these targets, that is 707, 695 and 678. This is the simple and powerful analysis what I usually do. Try to keep your trading plan very simple. In case you complicate it, you will definitely be confused. And also I'll share an intraday strategy what I usually use most of the time. In the description box you can check it out. It works very well whenever there's a range breakout or any kind of breakout. Very soon I'll upload a video on that as well. So this is the Axis Bank analysis, guys. Now let's move to the next stock. The next stock is Ashok Leyland, and then we are going to check Bata India in this video. Next is Ashok Leyland, and this has also formed a bearish engulfing. You can see here. The only difference in this and the previous candle pattern is, in the sense, Axis Bank is, and Axis Bank almost it had covered the entire body of the bullish candle here and also the tail, but here it has covered only the body and the tails are outside here. So the range high and range low of this Ashok Leyland chart will be a little different. Let me mark the range high. This will be the range high and this is going to be the range low. Now the next thing what I'm going to do is I'll just scroll back and see how the behavior was when the stock had entered this level. Okay, this is the place where it had entered before. Let's go and analyze how the behavior was. Guys, you can see here there was some key resistance what I see here. This is the key resistance what it had formed, and this was a support level because there was a bounce here and there was a rejection, and you can see once it broke this level it had come down, and from here it had rejected and come down, and also a rejection from here. So there are good chances tomorrow. You can see here the resistance here. Okay, now there are good chances once it breaks the range low, prices can start heading down. This is how the previous behavior was, and this is what my plan will be. In case it breaks the range low, it can start moving down. Now let's quickly draw some support and resistance here. Let's see when it fell down on this side, what was the maximum level it had gone up to. So in case I see here, this is the level 1. Let me change the color. I'm trying to explain you in detail because I got few messages. They were asking me how I use this candlestick patterns. That's the reason I'm showing you like this. Okay, this is the next level what I have, and then the other level what I look here is somewhere near this point. Okay, now we have our targets as well. Let me show you. Okay. In case on Monday we see price sustaining below this range low, that is 130.20, then we can expect prices move to 126.70, 123.60 and 118.60. These are the levels what I'm seeing on the downside. Right, now let's also see what is happening with the trend here. As I said you before, this pattern has to be found in uptrend. You can see here there was a good move on the upside, and then we have seen a bearish engulfing coming here. Now let me draw a trend line on check here what is exactly is happening, and in case it falls, what is the level we can expect, maximum level. Let me draw a trend line now. So probably this is going to be a good trend line. This looks good. Okay, yes, in case it breaks more down, then we can expect to this support as well. In case we see some bearish move coming in, then this will be the max level, that is somewhere around 110. Okay, right guys, this is very simple. Using candlestick patterns are very simple. It's not so complicated, provided you use it in a right way. This is the max level what I see on the downside, because there we also have a trend line here which can act as a support. Before it reaches that, there will be one more support somewhere here. Right, so let's move to the next stock. The next stock is Bata India. It has also formed a bearish engulfing. Let's go to Bata India now. Okay, yes, you can see here. Okay, there are few important things what you got to note here. The first thing is Bata India has formed bearish engulfing. That is fine. The second thing is it has not sustained above the 50 moving average, the blue colored line. In fact, it has closed below 50 moving average. So there are good chances it can head down because it has failed to sustain above this 50 moving average in this candle, and we can see a big candle coming down here. Let me mark the high and low of this range and see what exactly has happened at this level previously. This is a range high and this is a range low, and you can see here this bearish candle has covered the entire candle, previous candle, bullish candle here. Okay, now let's scroll back as well. Okay, guys, you can see here this range has acted as a strong resistance previously. Strong support here. And you can see here it has acted here a resistance from where there was a small move on the downside, and here you can see once it has broken this level there was a big fall. And next, if I go more ahead, you can see here this has acted as a support here and it has bounced up from here. You can see here it has acted as a support. There was a bounce, rejection from this level, there was some momentum on the downside. You can see here again it has acted as a support, and then next day it was a bounce up. Okay, so once it has broken this level, we have seen some good fall, quick fall in fact. Right, there has been one candle has covered almost big momentum here. You can see this candle, and also this was a big candle, not so small. Okay, so now the simple analysis what I have is, let me remove all these drawings first. Hope you are understanding what I'm trying to show you. I'm trying to show you the behavior of the price, how it had behaved previously. That's very important. Now guys, if you see here, in case this breaks, this low breaches to the range low, then we can expect, these are all for, you can use it for intraday or you can also use it for positional system, but make sure whenever you're trading you trade with stop loss. This is just for educational purpose what I'm trying to do. This will be the first target guys, and this is going to be the second target, and max to max we can expect this as a third target, right? That is 1525, 1501 and 1477. In case this breaches downside, price sustaining below this range low, then we can expect some downward momentum from Monday. And let me check out the trend line as well. Let's see where exactly the trend line comes in. Okay, have drawn a trend line here. This is on log chart. Yes, this almost around 1501 can be a key support because we also have a trend line here. 15701.30 can be a key level, so this is going to be very important, right? So this is the simple analysis on Bata India as well. Well, this is the three stocks what I'm going to cover. In the next video you will see on Cholamandal, Cadillac and HPCL. Thank you for watching this video guys. In case you are learning something, give a like, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. And all the other video links will be shared in the description box. Please go through it so that you understand how easy the technical analysis is, and if in case you have any doubts you can drop in comment. I'll try to solve that. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.